चलो बाहर चलो चलो पीछे पीछे जा भाई
This is my car, but I can drop you.
Madam, car is that like
पीछे 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 डोर बंद कर दो और बंद कर दो कानू मोबाइल दे अरे
थैंक यू
हो गया
एक सेकंड हट 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 हटना अरे आगे तो जा यार कार
अभी आपके लेफ्ट
मैं इस तरफ मैं राइट की तरफ I'm right corner please. Right corner please.
राइट वाले
Ma'am right corner here.
दीपिका मैम
Thank you. बाइट भी देना है क्या बोलूं मैं
हेलो फेम कितना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है
फेम ख़ास करके मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि फ़ेम मेरे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है, पर मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि जिस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और जो काम मैं करती हूँ उसके साथ साथ पैसे, फेम, all of that is a part of what I do. And you can't ignore it. Let's put it that way. I don't think you can ignore the fame. I don't think you can ignore the attention. And it's, you know, it is a byproduct of the work that I do. I love my work. Or in the last 10 years, you know, the work that I do, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है और मैंने अपने काम को बहुत एंजॉय किया है, और आगे जाके भी यही मैं आई होप दैट यू नो आई जस्ट कीप एंजॉइंग द वर्क दैट आई डू.
अगर आप आपके के बारे में बताएं कैसा है?
All good. In fact, lots of love and wishes from the media fraternity as well. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज किया. Back to normal, and I'm going to start my physiotherapy soon. Nothing to worry about. Let's put it that way. There's nothing to worry about. Hello.
Congratulations for the enormous success of the film.
Thank you.
Still it's going higher and higher. What are the feelings still going on with you?
Obviously, a lot of I think feelings of you know, overwhelmed. I think extremely grateful for all the love and the appreciation, the success, and like you said, I think it's not over. I think there's you know, it's still going strong, and but yes, it's been a very interesting year, and let's see how it goes.
As the film is doing good and probably you will be starting a new project. You were supposed to start with a film with Mr. Irfan. Is it time for us to pray for him and wish him the best in these conditions?
I think we should always pray for people and good health, you know. So if his health is not you know, the best at this point, I think it is important for all of us to pray, not just for him, but I think for people who you know, I think every day, in fact that's a small little prayer I say for myself and for everyone around me. I say this, I always believe that there's nothing more important than peace of mind and being healthy. And yes, I think the last couple of weeks have been emotionally challenging, but yeah, I think we all should say a little prayer.
You have worked with so much, like very memorable films. How do you feel as an actor for it? Like as an actor about his work?
He is someone I absolutely love, not just as an actor but as a person. I've had, I think, one of my most special I would say experiences as an actor with him. Piku will be my all-time favorite and special films, and I think he has a large part to play in that. And but that's it. I mean, I honestly do not know. I do not know where he is. I do not know what has happened. And I think, like he has requested, I think there are times when people just need to be left alone for some time and figure their lives out. And I think we should respect that space that they have all requested for. But like we said, you know, hope for the best and say a little prayer.
नमस्कार. How are you? Long time no see.
के बारे में जानना चाहिए, चाहे हमने पिछली जो आपकी फिल्म पद्मावती
जी,
की बात
जी.
करें और अभी से लेकर
जी.
हर कोई मतलब कहते हैं कि रणवीर सिंह क्या खाते हैं तो इतनी एनर्जी लाते हैं, तो वो एक
आज संडे है, 14 घंटा सो के आते हैं. आहा. हाँ, तो इट्स अ गुड डे यार. संडे अच्छा जा रहा है, मस्त सो के आया, खा के आया, रेस्ट करके आया. फ्रेश लग रहा हूँ कि नहीं? फ्रेश. तो हेलो अवार्ड्स, आई थिंक होपफुली मुझे I'll have a good evening. Hopefully something to call home about. I don't know. Alauddin Khilji has been really appreciated, much more than I had imagined. और अवार्ड्स का सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है, सो आई एम होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. गली बॉय की शूटिंग चल रही है धड़ाधड़. सो आफ्टर दिस फंक्शन टुनाइट आई विल बी हेडिंग टू शूट. इट्स अ गुड टाइम एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
आज की शाम जो कि फेम है, हेलो फेम,
हेलो.
कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रखता है आपकी लाइफ में, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं
यार, फेम इज़ इट्स अ वंडरफुल थिंग, बट it was never the one thing that I was attracted to. I was just in love with the craft of acting. I just want to be the best actor that I can possibly be. Money, fame, these things come along with it, and they're wonderful. They're very welcome. But that's not what drives me. But my sincere thanks to Hello for having me here tonight in the Hall of Fame Awards. I'm hoping for a memorable evening. अरे सिम्बा के बारे में क्या बोलूँ मैं? संग्राम भालेराव, पुलिस, AKA सिम्बा. गली बॉय की शूटिंग आधे से ज़्यादा ख़त्म हो गई. आफ्टर आई रैप गली बॉय in April, May, I will immediately be diving into Simba, and I'm very excited to be working with Rohit sir for the first time on a feature film. It's a big one for me, and I think lots of people, me more than anyone, is very excited about collaborating with Rohit sir, the king of masala films, and masala films which I love more than any other kind of film. So this is something I believe I was born to do, and I'm looking forward to it. Feeling very blessed that I have the opportunity to work with the best filmmakers in the business, from Mr. Bhansali to Zoya Akhtar to Rohit sir to Kabir Khan. It's a very rich time for me as a creative person, getting to do loads and loads of different things, keeping myself stimulated and challenged, and I'm very excited about my upcoming slate.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Gotta go.
पार्टी